So problem 4.3, and it is based on calculation of enthalpy of weight steam. Determine the amount of heat which should be supplied to 2 kg of water at 25 degrees Celsius to convert it into steam at 5 bar and 0.9 dry. This 0.9 dry means this is the dryness fraction of the steam at 5 bar, and whenever the condition of steam is written in such a manner in the problem, you can easily predict it is wet steam. So here the condition of wet steam at 5 bar is 0.9 dry. Now let us try to represent the condition of this steam on our TH diagram. This is dry saturated line. This is dry saturated vapor line. Let's say this line represents pressure of 5 bar, and corresponding to this pressure of 5 bar, this will give you saturation temperature of steam. Now what it is asking, the water is at 25 degrees Celsius. Somewhere here the water is there, isn't it? Because this is liquid zone, this is dry saturated zone, this is dry saturated steam. So 2 kg of water initially at 25 degrees Celsius. So we are supposed to calculate the heat which will be required to convert this 25 degrees Celsius of water into steam having dryness fraction value of 0.9. So this is the condition of our steam in the given problem. So how much heat I am supposed to supply here? This much heat. So this enthalpy I am supposed to calculate. Okay. So this is the required schematic of this problem. So what is given to you? Mass of the wet steam is mass of the water is given as 2 kg. So 2 kg of water will convert into 2 kg of steam. And temperature of the liquid water is 25 degrees Celsius. Pressure is given as 5 bar, and dryness fraction value is given as 0.9. So what I am supposed to find out? H. Enthalpy to convert 25 degrees Celsius of water into steam at 5 bar having dryness fraction value 0.9. Okay. So once again, to find out the value of this H, I have to find properties, some of the properties at at saturated states from the steam table of at pressure of 5 bar. Mark red net. That is, what are the properties I will be taking into consideration? HF, if possible, HFG, HG, and P saturation. Now I am supposed to find out the properties of steam at 5 bar. So I will be using table number 2, this table, and I will be obtaining all these properties at pressure T is equal to 5 bar. So these are the properties at 5 bar pressure. I am interested in these properties only. What is this? This T saturation and this HF, HFG. First one is HF, oh sorry, these properties. This column. These three properties. Six 40.2 will be HF, 2108.5 will be HFG, and 2748.7 will be HG. Okay. To 108.5 HFG and 2748.7 will be HD, and saturation temperature is 151.9. Okay. Now what will be enthalpy? Total enthalpy of the steam. This will be enthalpy of wet steam, HF plus X HFG. I can also write it in HF plus X into Hg minus HF. Both are the same things. HF is 642.2 kilojoule per kg. Dryness friction is 0.9. HFG, direct I can write the HFG value as it is given to me. To 2108.5. So, can someone tell me this calculation? What will be the H? what will be the HT value? So this value comes out 2536.76 kilojoule per kg. Now actually what is this? This is the total heat required by water at 0 degrees Celsius to convert it into steam at 5 bar and 0.9 dry. But here what is happening in our problem? Water is not at 0 degrees Celsius. It is already at 25 degrees Celsius. So heat content of water, that is by virtue of 25 degrees Celsius, it will also have some enthalpy stored into it corresponding to 25 degrees Celsius. So heat content of water at 25 degrees Celsius, or so this heat will be MW into CPW into temperature of water. So mass of water I have taken 2 kg, CPW is 4.2 and temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So this much heat water will already have. We need not to supply any heat to raise its temperature from 0 to 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. So this will be corresponding to 0 degrees Celsius. 210 kilojoule per kg. Okay. So we have this much amount of heat. Let us take here the value of MW is 1 now per moment. So this will be the amount of enthalpy or amount of heat content water is already having. Now we have this much amount of heat required by unit mass of water to convert it into steam from 0 degrees Celsius to 5 bar 0.9 dry. But our water is at 25 degrees Celsius, so this much amount of heat it is already having because its temperature is raised to 25 degrees Celsius. So actual heat will be required will be total heat minus enthalpy of water. So this is 210 and HT value is 2536.76. 2536.76. So H actual will be, I can calculate this, 2326.76 kilojoule per kg. And we have been given 2 kg of mass. So this will become 2 into 2326.76. So the total enthalpy or heat will be 4653.52 kilojoule per kg. This will be the answer. So this way you can solve such numerical.